Wonderful snow! Snow, snow, snow! Wonderful snow! I love these snows. Welcome to Learning League. Hello, guys.
Hi, welcome to Learning League. What are we doing today?
Bear house. That's why they have these little bears here that you can see.
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
What is hibernation?
Hibernation is when animals sleep.
When do animals hibernate?
In the winter.
And why do they hibernate?
Because they want to save some energy.
And keep warm, right?
And keep warm.
So today we are going to build a cave. We are going to build a cave. This box.
With this box that is way bigger than you can think. It's way bigger than you.
We're gonna build
and
a
it's
cave.
way bigger than me. See, watch this. I'm bigger than you. I'm really bigger than you.
We're gonna build.
You can kill. Oh no.
Yeah, we're gonna build a cave for our bears to hibernate in.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
what should we always remember to do when we're using scissors?
Be careful.
And have an adult with you, right?
Yeah. Like this, mommy.
Do you want to introduce all your bears while I start cutting?
Yes. This is little sister. I'm little sister. I'm little sister. I'm little sister. Hey, get out of my face. And this is the baby bear. All right, go. If you want a battle, I want a battle with you. I battle, that's my thing. And I think it's getting in people's face.
So right now I'm just starting to cut. I'm going to cut a door to our
I am
cave.
Wago. I touch my mouth a lot. What I do? And I am coldy. I am cold right now, and I need to.
What's that one's name?
My name is Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Her name is Snow. Her name is Doe.
Doe. Okay.
Doe because he likes eating dough. I'm dough because I love eating dough.
So this project is a lot like our other project where we did what did we do? The dollhouse. That's right. That's a lot like this, only this time we're building a cave. So what does a cave mean?
It's like a dark place.
Dark place? It needs to be warm, right?
That is made out of rocks.
So maybe we can put a blanket in here to keep the animals warm.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it. Okay. What would you like? Do you want to? First of all, let's see if our opening is big enough. Yeah.
And it's not big enough for all of them.
We might be able to stuff them in there though.
I know. We can put them in the corners, the babies in the corner, and then the daddies.
Okay.
Protecting them here.
Yeah.
Because the babies don't want to get hurt.
That sounds good. That's all right.
I'm gonna pour the whole bag.
Okay.
Snow, snow, snow. Wonderful snow. Snow, snow, snow. Wonderful snow. I love these snows.
See, we can put all the snow around the cave.
Yeah. Let's not doing that. We need to decorate
You
it.
want to decorate it first?
Yeah.
Okay. Want it? I'll just put Bear's Den. Sound good?
Yeah. Bear's Den only.
Okay.
Say Bear's Den only.
Bears
Only cake.
only. Okay.
It's only the bear's cave.
It says Bears only cave.
Yes. Only for bears. The show said, no predator.
Predators. You're
Predators.
right. What is a predator?
But they're bad things that do that.
Mm-hmm.
But what if the predators open the door?
It's okay. That's why it says Bears only.
Bears only cave.
All right, so introducing our bear cave. Sophie, do you want to tell them about it?
Yes.
Okay.
We need. Here's the inside that we can show you. It's just the corners.
Okay. What else does it have that makes it special?
Snow.
Snow.
So white and fluffy.
What does that say? Bears only? Oh man. I guess there's no bears around here. Maybe I should look in this cave. I don't see any, and it's snowing pretty hard. Did you guys see our hibernating bear? Wave hi to him.